Hi, welcome back for some math. Today we are looking at fractions, but specifically using fractions to describe part of a set. So if we look at the information box at the top, it says what part of the set is red? We have a group of hearts. Well, how many hearts do we have? Well, that's our denominator, right? We have 2, 4, 6 hearts all together. So that's always our denominator. Okay, and we count how many are red. 1, 2. So 2 of the 6 hearts are red. What fraction or what part of the set is pink? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of the 6 hearts, or 4/6 of the hearts, are pink. So let's do some here in number 1. We have a group of students, and we want to write a fraction for each set. So what part of these students has their eyes open? So we'll look here, right? We have 1, 2 have their eyes open. So 2 is our numerator. How many total kids are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is our denominator. And number 2, now we're looking at apples. Okay, so we want to know what part has stems. Well, how many apples are there altogether? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 is our denominator. Now, how many of them have stems? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7/8 of the apples have stems. For some of you, using fractions like this, you find that easier. Others may find it a little bit more confusing. The more we do it, the easier it will get. The next part, we get to do some drawing, which I know all of you like to draw. And for number 3 here in the middle, it says draw laces on 1/4 of the shoes. Now they're not saying 1/4 of each individual shoes, but if we divided the shoes into 4 equal parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to choose one of those sections, and that would be 1/4 of the shoes. Now you can choose any particular shoe you want to. I'm going to draw some laces here on the tennis shoe. Got some colored laces going on there. Okay, maybe you wanted to lace up the boot or the cleat or the dress shoe there. Okay, so 1 of the 4, or 1/4 of the group, has laces on it. And number 4, we have balloons. They want us to draw strings on 5/5 of the balloons. Well, we know that if the top number and the bottom number, right, the numerator and the denominator are the same, it means the whole group, either the whole item, the whole object, or the whole group. So I want you to draw strings on 5 of the balloons. All right. So however, that was kind of fun, wasn't it? You get to draw 5 strings. Maybe you drew all 5 of them where the balloons were connected together. Just have fun with that. All right. So 5 of the 5 have strings on them. Great job. We're already made it to the bottom of the paper. This is a quick worksheet. Let's see if I can get it to stay up here for us. We are going to be looking at the cars and trucks here at the bottom. So we're going to start over here in the left-hand column. And it says to use the picture of the street, write or circle the answers. So for number 5, we need to write, but for 6 and 7, we're going to circle the correct answer. Number 5 wants us to count the total number of vehicles. So we're talking about cars and trucks. So if you go down here and you count, you will see that we have how many? Hopefully, I wish I could hear you, but I'm guessing that you said 10. I'm sure you did. There are a total of 10 vehicles on this strip of the road. Number 6 says, well, what's the fraction for the number of vehicles that are trucks? Of all these cars down here, how many are trucks? 1, 2, out of a total of 10. So 2/10 of the vehicles on this strip of road are trucks. So if 2/10 or 2 out of 10 are trucks, well, what fraction are cars then? Well, we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8/10, because there's a total of 10 cars, 8 out of 10 or 8/10 of the cars or the vehicles are cars. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Now they want us to look only at the cars. So how many were cars? Well, we counted that here. Of all these vehicles, 8 of them are cars. What fraction of the cars are blue? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/8 of the cars are blue. Well, how many are red then? Well, we can just count. Or we would know, right, that half of the cars are blue and half of them are red. All right, so 4/8 blue and 4/8 red. They are equal, right? They're both half of all the cars. Great job today. If you go ahead, and I do want you to turn the paper over, okay? Just read the directions carefully. Sometimes that part with the mugs and the hats gets a little confusing, so just take your time, read what it's asking you, and then circle and write the correct answer. All right. Good. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at more fractions with parts of a set. Have a great day. Bye.